Okay, it's the 2nd of February. It's a Sunday, doing this around 4:30 for points of reference. State College is in here. Lock Haven is here. Williamsport is here. Selinsgrove, Sunbury in here. Harrisburg down here. York and Lancaster. Lebanon's right into that area there. Toby Twan. Tawanda's up that way. So anyway, let's put temperatures to this map, and we got some weather coming through, but it's not brutal, but it's coming through. This is our temperatures now, the way they look. 20s to the north, freezing to the south, right around freezing to the south. And you can see that the temperatures overnight, this gets you to around 10 o'clock tonight. And the reason I'm stopping at 10 o'clock tonight is because there's precipitation, and I just wanted to show you that the northern half of Pennsylvania is in the 20s, and the southern half of Pennsylvania is right around freezing. So now we got to add in the precip. Okay, now we have some snow moving in the northern part of the state. Nothing major now. This is not a snowstorm. But as you can still see out here towards State College, out this way to the west of it, there is some sleet mixed in at the time. This is all snow out in front of it. It doesn't quite make it very well down to the southern part of the state. And it kind of moves by. And when it's done, at the end, it leaves a little sleet out here towards Schuylkill County, out this way, maybe Lebanon a little bit. Out by State College, some sleet and some freezing rain. These lighter colors here are sleet, and these blues are the freezing rain, and or the purple's the freezing rain. Sorry, and then it moves by, and this is around midnight. You can see it's just a little bit of freezing rain and some snow flurries left over as it moves through and then out of the area. Um, there's not a lot of snow mixed with this. Your total snow is that. And the darker areas maybe between a half an inch and an inch, and these blue areas can maybe get two. I mean, but it's going to be very, very light. Sleet is a little bit out here, kind of heavier sleet out here towards State College to the west of it. A little bit of sleet mixed in down here, and some freezing rain again up here. So it's kind of a messy storm outside of to the west of State College here. Everybody else is basically on the lighter side. What we have to think about, but tomorrow, is the temperatures are going to go up. Let's move this out till tomorrow afternoon. Look at that warmer air trying to seep up. And this is above freezing up here. Maybe a spot or two that stays close to freezing. But down here, look, here's a 52 in York. Here's a 49 in Lancaster, 47 in Harrisburg, 40 out in State College. It's warmed up a little bit tomorrow, but that won't last very long. And like I said, this week's kind of an up and down kind of a week, and this takes you to around 10 o'clock um, Monday night, and you still see it's still not bad out there. Temperatures in the 40s at 10 o'clock at night, and that's not bad at all. And then here comes your cold front up here, and it's going to bring cold air in. And as it does, it brings in a little bit of precip, but it's a rain because it's warm. That's why I'm trying to show you the temperatures. That front drops down and comes through, and once it gets done coming through, um, temperatures don't look like they're in the 40s and 50s anymore. Here's the temperatures around 6 o'clock in the morning on Tuesday. They're in the 20s to the north. They're still warm to the south, but that'll drop. You'll see them drop as we go through the day. We'll take this out to around 10 o'clock in the morning. 20s to the north. We're getting closer to that freezing mark in southern Pennsylvania. And then as we get into the afternoon, it's when it's the warmest. Here's the Susquehanna River here. You can tell where it goes. It's right around freezing. North, it's below freezing. But then as we go through the nighttime hours on Tuesday, I'll take this out to around midnight. Everybody's in the 20s. There could be some teens to the north, and cold air comes back in. Now we have a very messy storm that could cause some travel problems and some outages for some people on Thursday. And I will do that video on Tuesday and narrow that down so that you've all got an idea where it's going. All right, this is Fred. You take it easy. You be safe.